Hi there, I'm Jules from thesstonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. So first thing for our salmon with yogurt and crunchy nut crust, I've got the oven heating up to 250C, which is 480F I think, 450F. And then I'm just going to drain some yogurt. So this just thickens the yogurt up. If you're using a good Greek yogurt, you don't have to do this. So we're going to want about 200 grams of yogurt for the recipe, but I'm just going to do this whole jar because it's nice to have some extra thick special yogurt while you're doing it. So I've just lined a sieve with some couple of sheets of paper towel. And we're just going to get that in, and you can sit that aside in the fridge while you cook the salmon. So for the salmon, I've got 2 bunches of asparagus that I've just actually trimmed the end. So you do that by just snapping the bottom bit off. And so 2 bunches of asparagus, but you could use like green beans, snow peas, any veg that are going to kind of cook in about that 10-minute time. Then I've got my salmon fillets on top, skin side up. I'm going to give them a good sprinkling of salt on the skin. And I've got a lemon that I've halved. I'll just give it a bit of a drizzle of oil. I'm going to get it in that hot oven, so 250C. And these are quite large, so normally I'll check it after 10 minutes, but these might take a little bit longer, but really depends on the size of your fish, how long it's going to take. So when the salmon's cooked, so somewhere around 10 to 12 minutes, we need to just get it onto our plates. I've left the skin on, but you could always take it off if you're not a fan or use skinless. That's totally up to you. And then I'm going to just, I've got this the yogurt that's thickened up a bit. It's actually nicer if the yogurt has a bit more time. So if you are a bit more organized, doing the yogurt in advance can, you could even do it up to a day in advance and it's going to really thicken up, but this will do for our purposes. And I'm just going to toss, just got a small bunch of flat leaf parsley leaves that I've picked, or you could chop them if you're in a hurry. Picking them does take a little while, but it does look prettier. So I'm just going to toss the parsley with the asparagus. And we'll pop some on each plate. And it's up to you. You could just drizzle the lemon over, but I like to just serve it on the side so people can add as much or as little lemon as they like. And roasting the lemon like that's amazing. It makes it really juicy and delicious. And then to finish it all, we've just got our chopped nuts. So I've used a mixture of hazelnuts, macadamias and almonds, but any roast nuts are good here. Pine nuts are lovely. Just one type of nut's good as well. You need to use a mixture, and that just adds a really beautiful, crunchy, lovely crust. And then you might like to finish it with a little bit of salt, and good to go. So if you enjoyed this, really encourage you to head on over to my blog. It's thesstonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with beautiful, fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipes just like this one.